The A-10C Thunderbolt II just became even more deadly. The Fairchild A-10 Thunderbolt II was designed specifically for close air support and has proven to be one of the most effective anti-tank aircraft ever created thanks to its distinctive GAU-8 Avenger 30mm gun. The United States Air Force proved earlier this year how the aircraft, known among its pilots as the Warthog, is capable of taking out contemporary tanks with upgraded armor. The 422nd and 59th Test and Evaluation Squadrons successfully demonstrated during the initial testing at the Nevada Test and Training Range in February 2023 that the GAU-8 Avenger on the A-10C Thunderbolt II could still penetrate modern armored vehicles with explosive reactive armor. In each of the test missions, a pair of A-10Cs took to the test range and fired against two dummy main battle tanks fitted with ERI using armor-piercing incendiary rounds. In order to assess the weapon's effectiveness against the heavily armored targets, the pilots changed the attack parameters and direction. The press office of the 53rd Wing said that analysts were able to determine the battle damage caused to the tanks and established that the tanks were rendered inoperable through post-shot analysis of video and visual inspection of the targets. According to Major Kyle Atkinson, commander of the 422nd TES A-10C Division, a typical A-10 gun employment requires 120 rounds, which means an A-10 is capable of deploying fires on 9 to 10 targets before exhausting its gun ammunition. A-10 formations are capable of attacking over 40 armored vehicles with 30mm ammunition against big fielded forces. There is a lot of weaponry there. The aircraft's 30mm GAU-8 gun, which protrudes from the nose, has a 3,900 bullet per minute rate of fire. The American Air Force requested proposals, RFP, for a 30mm rapid-fire gun that could be deployed with the AX close air support aircraft in the early 1970s, which led to the creation of the weapon. GAU-8 is the name of a prototype created by General Electric. The government contract required the creation of 4 different types of ammunition for the cannon, including target practice, semi-armor-piercing high explosives, armor-piercing incendiaries, and high-explosive incendiaries. Precise killing. The testing gathered information on the AGM-65 Leaders Maverick and AGR-20E Advanced Precision Kill Weapon Systems efficiency against the armored vehicles in addition to 30mm cannon rounds. It is thought that the A-10 is a good choice for agile combat employment jobs. The most recent test conducted by the Air Force was viewed as evidence that the A-10 can continue to deliver powerful, fast gunfire with catastrophic consequences on enemy vehicles in a disputed area.